So do we put the GDR sticker on the Subaru?
Yes, we do.
Didn't drop the bolt in it. You don't know, stand still.
Not that cool.
It's not the size of you.
Because it's carbon fiber.
Perfect.
And this is what happens when you don't prepare your car in advance. When you just roll it out from downstairs and go change oil, let's go. All right, instead of normal cage mounted onboards today for the Rallysprint, we're gonna go handheld on a GoPro7. Because handheld normally at this is pretty rubbish, but we're about to see how good the stabilization really is. Let's do it. Go. Straight into turn one. Fucking slippery.
Whoa. Slippery mud.
Very slippery.
Low down.
Woo. It's about as much as my brakes wanted to do then.
This is a scary one.
These tyres are not enjoying this.
No. This next one is going to be a tricky one. Very wet. Well, that's a bit tight.
to begin with. Mind you, they haven't been driven on in a while, and yeah.
Hey, don't make any excuses. We nearly went in the gutter.
Wow. That's what the handbrake's for, right?
Yeah. Need a hydro now.
That was interesting. To begin with, the tyres has had no grip. The brakes just did not work. Nothing. Wait. Hello.
Oh, shit.
Put your visor up, we can't see who it is. Oh, who's you? Hello, mate.
How you going?
The first corner is retarded slippery.
Yeah.
No stress or anything, you'll be fine. All right, the first run tonight was pretty sketchy. We've had 2 big thunderstorms roll through, extra rain roll through. There's mud from the four-wheel drive show, there's dust, dirt, debris, water, there's everything. Some corners look the same, but are way slipperier than others, so you've got to be super careful, especially the first corner actually. I'm surprised no one's binned it yet, but touch wood. All right, I should go faster now. I've got my Hoonigan socks going on.
2, 1, go.
Fine now. Not there, it's not. So we worked out that most likely the problem with the Rexy is actually the idle stepper motor's blocked or stuck open, because if you disconnect the TPS at 3 revs and it just doesn't want to idle right, but above 4 grand it's okay. But we worked out that if we only use half throttle below 4 grand, the car thinks it's got full throttle, so it drives fine. But if you have your foot down at full throttle below 4 grand, you've got the idle stepper motor pumping air in as well, and the ECU doesn't like it. It runs like a bag of, well, you know what.
Go. Feel the back end one in the slide.
Yeah, I know.